Our only airing. This is our Stamps of Life 3D pop-up card die kit with the background die. This is a way to be able to create gorgeous three-dimensional displays pretty much for any project. This is, as I said, the only airing. You ready for this? There are 61 reviews on hsn.com. 61 reviews. Guess how many 5 stars? 60. One person didn't think it was perfect, but they probably thought it was really good. 60 out of 61 5-star reviews is ridiculous. You're gonna get everything that you need. You get beautiful dies. There's 12 super thin dies, and they will easily cut through anything that you need to cut through any type of paper. You can use them for any occasion. There's even an idea book included. This is already hugely popular, and you'll see why when we start putting it into practice and demonstrating it. $40.51, only $8.10 on your credit card with 5 flex on all crafts. And Stephanie Barnard is standing by on Skype. There she is. Hi, Stephanie.
Good morning, Guy. How are you?
Wonderful. It's been too long since I've seen your beautiful face. How is everything going? Great?
We are doing great here in Southern California, let me tell you. And you know what, Guy? I'm so excited to bring this product to you because the first time we brought it into HSN, it sold out so fast, I didn't even get to bring it on the air. That's how fast it sold out. So I'm really excited to actually finally show it. It's really exciting because you know why? It is all about the 3D pop-up. You can see here how it literally is popping up, and I'm going to bring it in a close-up. You can see how there's a pop-up in there, and you can see these guys are literally popping up. Now, the fun thing about this is they are so dang easy to do. Here's another one with that gorgeous flower, and it literally is popping up. So when you give this card to someone, they're going to say, whoa, what in the world? How in the world did you do that? Look at that. You also get the confetti background as well. You're also getting the congrats die and the hello die. So look at this one.
Wow.
They're those cute little monsters. You're going to open it up and look at that confetti die. So fun. And you can see it's literally popping up. It's going to hit them in the face when they open it. Look at this one. Here's another cute one. Oh, actually, a customer made this one for me. Look at this. Brenda, shout out to you. A customer made this. She bought it on HSN. And she made this and she sent it to me. It's so gorgeous. And you can see it's literally popping up. So when they open this, they're gonna see that right away. Here's another one made by another customer. This was by Debbie. Here's so easy. And when your customers start sending you the cards that they're making using your products, you know it has to be easy and you know they have to love it. Here's an example using one of my other background dies. You can use other background dies. Now, what are you getting in the kit? You are getting this magic die. This is a magic die. Why is that? Because when you drop in one of my background dies, so here's the one that I've been using a lot. It comes in the kit. Or you can use the confetti one as well. You can drop it in and use it as the kit. Now, if you want to and you're like, oh, I love those flowers, I want to use them separately. Well, look at this. Look at how intricate that is. You can't even see how intricate it is. It is so intricate. It's gorgeous. Actually, let me pull this up and you can see it a little better. But look at how intricate that is. Now, this is where you're going to be using that Gemini, okay, my friends, because this is so incredibly intricate. One pass on the Gemini, it's going to go right through. We also give you the background die so you can die cut it. You can also die cut this. It's going to layer perfectly on the front of your cards. So you can put this on the front of your cards, or you can put it on the inside of your cards, just like this one. Mm-hmm. Easy peasy. So what are you going to do? How do you do it? And how can it be so easy? Well, let me share that with you. What you're going to do is you are going to decide, first of all, which background die you want to use. Do I want to use the confetti or this one or a different one? So you're going to go ahead, lay this in, and run this through your die cut machine just like this. There are some incredible score lines right here. Now, keep in mind also that this is going to cut out the white part of this card. You can see pink all the way around. It layers perfectly in an A2 size card. So I've done all the measuring for you. Don't worry about that. So what you're going to do is you're going to run that through your machine, and you're going to get this. Look at that. That Gemini, I'm telling you, my friends, make sure you have that because it's just going to make that like a hot knife through butter. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take an A2 size card base. You're going to turn this over, and you're just going to add adhesive to both of the tabs on the back, both of the solid pieces. You're going to lay that. Oh, and I like to score it a little on those score lines. So I've scored it there. Or I folded it. It's already scored. Score it there. Then I'm going to lay it into my card base, just like this. Line it up, and then I'm going to press, and then I'm going to gently fold it the first time, and then really press, and then look at this. Ta-da. That's how easy it is. Can you believe that? It's so easy. It's so fast. Now, I could have inked this if I wanted to. Here's an example of a white one inked, but you can see all those different fun colors. You're also getting the hello vertical die. You're also getting these two cute little flower dies. You are getting a ton of different options. Now, here's that one. Let's do it again. So if we ran that magic die through with our confetti die, and I just folded the edges, and then I'm going to bring a piece of cardstock in. I'm going to add the adhesive to that, just like this.
So easy.
And then I'm going to lay that into my card base.
And you know
what? I know, it's so easy.
It is. And you know what's impressive is the intricacy of the designs. I mean, you really need top of the line dies to be able to do that, to be able to get all those details out, which is why, Stephanie, so many people have given us perfect reviews, because the dies are of such high quality. Because when you get into that intricate cutting, the last thing you want to do is have to fix up little bits and pieces that didn't go through, or maybe you made a mistake because the die wasn't of sufficient quality. You don't have to worry about that. $40.51. It is on FlexPay, $8.10. And these pop-up cards are so unusual. They're so much fun. If you've never tried them before, they are great, right? Because, I mean, they have so much dimension. When people open them up, they literally reach out and grab them, and people just love that. And you could do all this yourself. Like I said, there's a reason it's a customer pick. The dies are top of the line across the board. You're going to absolutely love it. All right, Stephanie, I want you to go back and do some more. I love watching you do your projects.
Awesome. Well, thank you. And you know what? We also didn't mention that you are getting the idea book. So all of the samples that I've shared with you, first of all, you're going to get detailed visual instructions, which I know is very important for all of our customers, because, you know, we're creative people. And then you're going to get those beautiful photos. So anything most of the items that I've shown you today, you're actually going to see a couple other ones, but then it's going to give you the ideas and the inspiration to continue to make even more. So here's a fun one with the cute little confetti. Now, again, you can use this on the front of your card or on the back. Here's an example of it on the front. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous with the pretty flowers? And then we're going to open that up, and look, the flowers are popping up at me. So it's so versatile. And you can use these. You don't even have to use it with the pop-up. You can use it just with the front card front on it by itself. And you can break up the dies. Fun and so versatile.
I love it.
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh, look at how, see, I love that. I love the little screen, and then the design is behind it. That looks so neat. 714-743. Stephanie, thank you. That was too quick, but it's wonderful to see you. Thanks so much. I know, it goes fast.
I'll see you soon, guys.
All right, Stephanie, take care. Customer pick on hsn.com if you want to pick it up, 714-743. All right, come on over. Can't have a crafting show or any of my shows unless the amazing Tiffany joins us. Tiffany Spalding, who is the